Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get someone's contact information from LinkedIn. Now this is their phone number, their email address and anything else that they have linked to their profile. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device and from out here open up the LinkedIn application. Now from out the application, what you want to do, you want to search for someone that you know that you want their contact information to contact them, for example. Now, let's say I have a message from someone, this guy, and I want their phone number. Now, I can go into their profile, and from out their profile, this is very important, you go to the message option, and right next to the message option, you have the three dots here. Now, the third option says contact information, and as you can see right here, we have their profile, their website, their phone number, their email address, their birth date, and once you connected with them. It's very easy. And from out here you can use their contact information and that's it. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot and thank you for watching.